क्या तुम कल मेरे साथ बाजार चलोगे? Will you go to the market with me tomorrow? Will you go to the market with me tomorrow? मुझे आज बहुत थकान महसूस हो रही है. I feel very tired today. I feel very tired today. उसने बिना बताए मेरा फ़ोन उठा लिया. He picked up my phone without telling me. He picked up my phone without telling me. बारिश की वजह से हम बाहर नहीं जा पाए. We couldn't go out because of rain. We couldn't go out because of rain. मुझे लगता है हम अब घर चलना चाहिए. I think we should go home now. I think we should go home now. मुझे उससे इस बारे में बात करनी है. I need to talk to him about this. I need to talk to him about this. क्या तुमने मुझे कल कॉल करने की कोशिश की थी? Did you try to call me yesterday? Did you try to call me yesterday? वह बात बात पर गुस्सा हो जाता है. He gets angry over small things. He gets angry over small things. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि क्या करना चाहिए. I don't know what I should do. I don't know what I should do. अगर आज देर हो गई तो हम कल निकलेंगे. If we are late today, we will leave tomorrow. If we are late today, we will leave tomorrow. मुझे भी बाहर जाना है. I have to go out now. I have to go out now. उसने मुझे फिर से इंतज़ार करवाया. He made me wait again. He made me wait again. आज मेरा मन बिल्कुल काम में नहीं लग रहा. I don't feel like working at all day. I don't feel like working at all today. क्या बात है? तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो? What's wrong? Why are you so quiet? What's wrong? Why are you so quiet? छोड़ो, बाद में बात करते हैं. Let's leave it. We will talk later. Leave it. We will talk later. The light just went off. अभी अभी लाइट चली गई. The light just went off. Why does this happen every day? ये रोज़ क्यों होता है? Why does this happen every day? It was about to rain. बारिश होने वाली है. It was about to rain. My phone battery is low. मेरे फ़ोन की बैटरी कम है. My phone battery is low. There is a power cut again. फिर से बिजली चली गई. There is a power cut again. I was charging my phone. मैं फ़ोन चार्ज कर रहा था. I was charging my phone. Switch on the inverter. इन्वर्टर चालू करो. Switch on the inverter. Is the inverter working? क्या इन्वर्टर चल रहा है? Is the inverter working? The fan has stopped. पंखा बंद हो गया है. The fan has stopped. It's so hot right now. अभी बहुत गर्मी है. It's so hot right now. I can't study without light. लाइट के बिना मैं पढ़ नहीं सकता. I can't study without light. When will the light come back? लाइट कब आएगी? When will the light come back? Call the electricity office. बिजली ऑफिस में कॉल करो. Call the electricity office. This area has frequent power cuts. इस इलाके में बार बार लाइट जाती है. This area has frequent power cuts. I was in the middle of my work. मैं अपने काम के बीच में था. I was in the middle of my work. Save your phone battery. फ़ोन की बैटरी बचाओ. Save your phone battery. Let's sit outside for some air. थोड़ी हवा के लिए बाहर बैठते हैं. Let's sit outside for some air. The inverter will last for 1 hour. इन्वर्टर 1 घंटे चलेगा. The inverter will last for 1 hour. Please turn off unnecessary lights. Please बेकार की लाइट बंद कर दो. Please turn off unnecessary lights. I can't see anything. मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. I can't see anything. Light is very important these days. आजकल बिजली बहुत ज़रूरी है. Light is very important these days. Kids are scared for darkness. बच्चे अंधेरे से डरते हैं. Kids are scared of darkness. It ruined my mood. इसने मेरा मूड ख़राब कर दिया. It ruined my mood. I hope the light comes soon. उम्मीद है लाइट जल्दी आ जाए. I hope the light comes soon. Power cuts waste a lot of time. लाइट जाने से बहुत समय खराब होता है. Power cuts waste a lot of time. I was watching a movie. मैं मूवी देख रहा था. I was watching a movie. Light is back. लाइट आ गई. Light is back. Everything stopped suddenly. सब कुछ अचानक रुक गया. Everything stopped suddenly. Finally, electricity is restored. आखिरकार बिजली आ गई. Finally, electricity is restored. Turn on the fan quickly. जल्दी से पंखा चलाओ. Turn on the fan quickly. Resume your work now. अब अपना काम फिर से शुरू करो. Resume your work now. What a relief. कितनी राहत मिली. What a relief. Don't forget to charge your phone. फ़ोन चार्ज करना मत भूलना. Don't forget to charge your phone. Power cuts are really annoying. बिजली जाना सच में बहुत परेशान करता है. Power cuts are really annoying. I lost my internet connection. मेरा इंटरनेट चला गया. I lost my internet connection. Online class got interrupted. ऑनलाइन क्लास बीच में रुक गई. Online class got interrupted. Light goes off at the worst time. लाइट सबसे गलत समय पर जाती है. Light goes off at the worst time. We are used to this now. अब तो हमें इसकी आदत हो गई है. We are used to this now. Let's hope it does not happen again. उम्मीद है फिर से ऐसा ना हो. Let's hope it doesn't happen again. May I come in? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकती हूँ? May I come in? Please wait for a moment. कृपया एक पल रुकिए. Please wait for a moment. Could you help me with this? क्या आप इसमें मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Could you help me with this? I really appreciate your help. मैं आपकी मदद की सच में सराहना करती हूँ. I really appreciate your help. Let me know if you need anything. अगर कुछ चाहिए तो बताएं. Let me know if you need anything. I will get back to you soon. मैं आपको जल्दी जवाब दूंगी. I will get back to you soon. Take your time. आराम से समय लीजिए. Take your time. I agree with you. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. No problem at all. कोई समस्या नहीं है. No problem at all. Stop talking. बात करना बंद करो. Stop talking. Please lower your voice. कृपया अपनी आवाज़ धीमी रखिए. Please lower your voice. You are late again. तुम फिर से देर से आए हो। You are late again. Try to be on time next time. अगली बार समय पर आने की कोशिश करो। Try to be on time next time. Don't disturb me. मुझे परेशान मत करो। Don't disturb me. I am busy right now. Let's talk later. मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ, बाद में बात करते हैं। I am busy right now. Let's talk later. That's enough now. अब बस बहुत हो गया। That's enough now. I am not comfortable with this. मैं इससे सहज महसूस नहीं कर रही हूँ। I am not comfortable with this. Let's calm down and talk. चलिए शांत होकर बात करते हैं। Let's calm down and talk. I will try my best. मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगी। I will try my best. That's not a big deal. यह कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। That's not a big deal. I am used to it now. अब मुझे इसकी आदत हो गई है। I am used to it now. I can't manage this alone. मैं यह अकेले संभाल नहीं सकती। I can't manage this alone. Everything will be fine. सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will be fine. It depends on the situation. यह स्थिति पर निर्भर करता है। It depends on situation. What do you mean? आपका क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? I don't feel well today. आज मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है। I don't feel well today. I am getting late. मुझे देर हो रही है। I am getting late. I have a headache. मुझे सिर दर्द है। I have a headache. तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? थोड़ा इंतज़ार करो। Wait for a moment. Wait for a moment. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? मुझे इस पर भरोसा नहीं है। I don't believe this. I don't believe this. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए। I want your advice. I want your advice. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। I am proud of you. I am proud of you. तुम बिल्कुल सही हो। You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. मुझे डर लग रहा है। I am feeling scared. I am feeling scared. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए। I need some time. I need some time. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. क्या तुम थोड़ी देर मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me for a while? Can you help me for a while? मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। I am trying my best. I am trying my best. मेरे पास पर्याप्त समय नहीं है। I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time. मैं इसके बारे में सोचूंगा। I will think about it. I will think about it. कुछ खाने के लिए ऑर्डर करते हैं। Let's order something to eat. Let's order something to eat. आज मुझे थकान लग रही है। I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. कृपया 1 मिनट इंतज़ार करो। Please wait for a minute. Please wait for a minute. समय बहुत तेज़ी से निकल रहा है। Time is passing so fast. Time is passing so fast. चिंता मत करो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry, everything will be fine. मैं किसी तरह संभाल लूँगा. I will manage it somehow. I will manage it somehow. मुझे थोड़ी ताज़ी हवा चाहिए. I need some fresh air. I need some fresh air. समय बहुत तेज़ी से निकल रहा है. Time is passing so fast. Time is passing so fast. मुझे इसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी. I didn't expect this. I didn't expect this. यह जगह भीड़ भाड़ वाली लग रही है. This place looks crowded. This place looks crowded. इस बारे में बाद में बात करते हैं. Let's talk about this later. Let's talk about this later. अभी मेरा मूड नहीं है. I am not in the mood right now. I am not in the mood right now. मैं अपना फ़ोन घर पर भूल गया. I forgot my phone at home. I forgot my phone at home. तुम्हारा काम ख़त्म हो गया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? मैं तुम्हें शाम को फ़ोन करूँगा. I will call you in the evening. I will call you in the evening. बाहर बहुत गर्मी है. It's too hot outside. It's too hot outside. तुम किस बारे में सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? मुझे देर हो रही है. चलो अब निकलते हैं. I am getting late. Let's leave now. I am getting late. Let's leave now. इस बात पर बहस ना करें. Let's not argue over this. Let's not argue over this. अब मुझे आराम महसूस हो रहा है. I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मैं अभी निकल रहा हूँ. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. I will be back in a while. I will be back in a while. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. रुक जाओ ज़रा. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? मुझे देर हो जाएगी. I will be late. I will be late. फ़ोन मत काटो. Don't hang up. Don't hang up. अभी कॉल नहीं कर सकता. I can't call right now. I can't call right now. बाद में बात करते हैं. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. जल्दी आओ. Come quickly. Come quickly. कोई जल्दी नहीं है. There is no hurry. There is no hurry. समझ आ गया? Got it. Got it. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. I am trying. I am trying. यह सही नहीं है. This isn't right. This isn't right. मुझे यह चाहिए. I need this. आई नीड दिस. मुझे यह नहीं चाहिए. आई डोंट नीड दिस. आई डोंट नीड दिस. चलो चलते हैं. लेट्स गो. लेट्स गो. आज मौसम अच्छा है. द वेदर इज़ नाइस टुडे. द वेदर इज़ नाइस टुडे. थोड़ा आराम कर लो. टेक अ लिटिल रेस्ट. टेक अ लिटिल रेस्ट. ध्यान रखो. टेक केयर. टेक केयर. मुझे याद है. आई रिमेंबर. आई रिमेंबर. मैं भूल गया. आई फॉरगॉट. आई फॉरगॉट. ये कब हुआ? When did this happen? When did this happen? मुझे भरोसा है. I trust you. I trust you. सब हो जाएगा. Everything will be done. Everything will be done. ठीक है, देख लेते हैं. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. मैं अभी थोड़ा बिज़ी हूँ. I am a bit busy right now. I am a bit busy right now. अभी मुझे ठीक से समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand it properly yet. I didn't understand it properly yet. थोड़ा वेट करो, मैं बता देता हूँ. Wait a bit, I will tell you. Wait a bit, I will tell you. मुझे लगता है इसमें टाइम लगेगा. I think this will take some time. I think this will take some time. अभी मेरा मन नहीं है. I don't feel like it right now. I don't feel like it right now. चलो पहले चाय पी लेते हैं. Let's have a tea first. Let's have a tea first. मैंने कोशिश की पर नहीं हो पाया. I tried but it did not work. I tried but it did not work. अभी इस बारे में मत सोचो. Don't think about this right now. Don't think about this right now. मुझे ये तरीका ठीक लग रहा है. This way feels okay to me. This way feels okay to me. थोड़ा आराम कर लो. Take some rest. Take some rest. मुझे थोड़ी देर अकेला रहने दो. Let me be alone for a while. Let me be alone for a while. अभी जल्दी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to rush right now. There is no need to rush right now. मुझे लगा तुम आ जाओगे. I thought you would come. I thought you would come. चलो देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. Let's see what happens next. Let's see what happens next. अभी सब क्लियर नहीं है. Everything isn't clear yet. Everything isn't clear yet. मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. I didn't pay attention. I didn't pay attention. यह बात बाद में करेंगे. We will talk about this later. We will talk about this later. मुझे खुद भी सरप्राइज हुआ. I was surprised. I was surprised. थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. We will manage somehow. We will manage somehow. अभी यही बेस्ट है. This is the best for now. This is the best for now. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. I can't remember. I can't remember. चलो इसे सिंपल रखते हैं. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. मुझे इस पर भरोसा है. I trust this. I trust this. अभी मैं फ्री नहीं हूँ. I am not free right now. I am not free right now. थोड़ा टाइम लग जाएगा. It will take some time. It will take some time. मैं समझ रहा हूँ तुम्हारी बात. I understand what you are saying. I understand what you are saying. चलो अब निकलते हैं. Let's head out now. Let's head out now. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.